The top at 6, a former Grand Rapids police officer accused of killing Patrick Lyoya can stand trial. That decision was released today by the State Court of Appeals. Christopher Schurr asked the court to throw out the charges against him, but the judges refused. 13 on your side's Jeremiah Brown explains what this decision means.
In a 25-page report, the Michigan Court of Appeals found that there is enough evidence for Schurr to go to trial, denying his appeal to throw out his second-degree murder charge.
The court denied the defense motion to quash, basically indicating this case is going to go to trial.
Lewis Langham, a former MSP trooper and detective of 25 years and now a law professor at Cooley Law School, says the court found there to be enough evidence for a jury to make a decision if Schurr's actions were justified.
The Loyola family remains distraught about the cold-blooded killing of their son, and any of these delays adds more insult to injury, as it would with any parent, any family member of someone wrongfully murdered.
Attorney Ben Johnson, who represents the Lyoya family, says they hope for no further delays to Schurr's standing trial.
The defense would like to get the Supreme Court to review this, does not give them an automatic right of appeal. Translation, they have to ask the Supreme Court, would you please look at this? That does not mean the Supreme Court has to look at it.
Schurr's lawyers claim the court wrongfully applied the law against Schurr, but the Court of Appeals found nothing wrong with the district court's decision.
They indicated that there was no abuse of discretion by the district court, that the district court was proper in binding the defendant over, Officer Christopher Schurr, over for trial.
In April 2022, Schurr and Patrick Lyoya got into a struggle that lasted less than 3 minutes before Schurr shot Lyoya in the back of the head. In a statement, prosecutor Chris Becker says, in part, this has been a long road and they have been very understanding through a difficult time for their family. We must let the appeals process continue to ensure we are protecting their rights as well as those of the defendant.
And Jeremiah joins us now from Grand Rapids. JD, do we know how soon Schurr could stand trial?
Well, Julia, as we heard, the defendant has 56 days to make an appeal to the Michigan Supreme Court. But also, as we heard, they have the ultimate decision to decide if they will even hear the case. We don't know when a trial would take place, but we know that the prosecution and Loyola's family would like to see no further delays.
Thank you for that, JD. We've extended